Hello friends, welcome to Law and GK. So friends, on this channel we discuss the contents of law and previous year papers of judicial services and other legal exams. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss the preliminary exam paper of Uttarakhand Judicial Services 2009. So friends, if you are new on this channel, I would like to recommend कि आप जो है इस चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए because it will be very beneficial for you in your preparation for judiciary and other legal exams. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for our upcoming videos. And if you like this video, just click the like button over there and appreciate this with your friends so that they can come to know about this channel as well. And अगर आपको हमारे efforts अच्छे लगे हों तो in addition to like and subscribe, kindly give us a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to help the content creator. Means if you like the videos, you can just donate some money to them in form of tips. Minimum starts with 20. Minimum is 20 rupees. तो क्वेश्चन पेपर कम्स लाइक दिस, पुराना एग्जाम पेपर है ये। तो अभी बढ़ते हैं पार्ट 1 पर जो है जीके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या कह रहा है देखिए, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल ऑर्गन ऑफ यूएन। तो कौन सा नहीं है? इकोनॉमिक सोशल काउंसिल है, ट्रस्टीशिप है, आईसीजे है, एंड जो ये आईएलओ है ये नहीं है। सी इसका आंसर रहेगा। नेक्स्ट टू ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन आर फ्रेंच एंड इंग्लिश। तो डी इज द आंसर। Next 3, the directive principle of state policy in the Constitution of India have been taken from which of the following? That is Constitution of Ireland. A is the answer. Next 4, P's passport was cancelled by the authority without giving any reasonable opportunity of being heard, which was mandatory. In such case, writ of mandamus can be issued. Yes, A is the answer. Next is 5, maximum period of continuation of emergency under Article 356 of Indian Constitution is 3 years. A is the answer. Maximum जो है 3 साल है। स्टेट इमरजेंसी की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर। Next 6, which of the following schedule was added in Constitution by 73rd Constitutional Amendment? That was Schedule 11. C is the answer. And 12th by 74th Amendment. Next 7, the procedure for the removal of Supreme Court that is given in 124 clause 4. A is the answer. Next 8, participation of workers in management of industries is provided under Constitution 43A. C is the answer. Next is 9, Article 21A was added in the Constitution by 86th Constitutional Amendment. A is the answer with effect from 2010. अमेंडमेंट तो ये 2002 की थी, बट इफेक्ट में कब आई थी? 2010 में। Next 10, socialist and secular word were added in the preamble by 42nd Amendment. Only one amendment in the preamble, that was 42nd Amendment. B is the answer. Next 11, which of the following article of Indian Constitution is not related to environmental protection? तो कौन सा नहीं है? 51AI, ये सेफ गार्ड ऑफ पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी है। नेक्स्ट 12, इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस देयर आर प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड 13 जजेस। तो टोटल होते हैं 15। डी इज द आंसर। वेयर इज द सीट ऑफ आईसीजे? इन हेग। हेडक्वार्टर जो है हेग में है, नेदरलैंड्स। नेक्स्ट 13, इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 10th December. B is the answer. Next 14, the headquarter of International Court of Justice is at Hague. देखिए क्वेश्चन भी आ गया यहाँ पर। ये हेग कहाँ पर है? हॉलैंड। नेदरलैंड्स भी बोलते हैं, सेम नेम है। नेक्स्ट 15, सरकार या कमीशन वाज सेटअप फॉर द रिव्यू ऑफ रिलेशंस बिटवीन एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी, सेंटर एंड स्टेट। डी इज द आंसर। Next 16, under which article of Constitution Interstate Council is constituted? That was Article 263. C is the answer. Next 17, by which amendment of the Constitution the Service Tribunal were established? That was 42nd Amendment. D is the answer. And Part 14A was added and Article 323A and B were added. Next 18, how many languages are there in 8th schedule of Constitution? There are 22. D is the answer. Next 19, Article 340 of Indian Constitution deals with backward classes commission. A is the answer. Next 20. In which year Advocates Welfare Fund Act was enacted by the Parliament? In 2001. B is the answer. Next 21. In which of the following cases it has been held that prohibition on sale of acts within the municipal area of Rishikesh is not violative of Article 19(1)(g)? That was Om Prakash versus State of UP. C is the answer. Next 22. Right to information is defined in section 2F of the RTI Act. A is the answer. Next 23. In Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly, one member is nominated from Anglo-Indian community. C is the answer. एंड आर्टिकल कौन सा है ये एंग्लो इंडियन कम्युनिटी में जो नॉमिनेट करने वाला, एंड इसका प्रोविजन मेंशन किया गया है आर्टिकल 333 में. नेक्स्ट 24. सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज रिटायर्स एट द एज ऑफ 65 years. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 25. हु इज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट एग्जीक्यूटिव? दैट इज द गवर्नर. डी इज द आंसर. और ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? आर्टिकल 154 में, जहाँ मेंशन किया गया है कि एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर है जो गवर्नर के पास रहेगी, और ये गवर्नर ऑफ स्टेट के बारे में आर्टिकल 153 में लिखा गया है. नेक्स्ट 26. केस ऑफ अय्यर कोल्लो वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ तमिलनाडु इज रिलेटेड विद जुडिशियल रिव्यू ऑफ 9 scheduled laws. सी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 27. ह्यूमनाइजेशन एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑफ अटेम्प्ट टू सुसाइड वाज रिकमेंडेड बाय 210 रिपोर्ट ऑफ लॉ कमीशन. A is the answer. Next 28. Jai Bachchan versus Union of India case related with Article 102(1)(a). A is the answer. Next 29. Joint meeting of both houses of parliament is chaired by Speaker of Lok Sabha. C is the answer. और ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? ज्वाइंट सिटिंग की बात की गई आर्टिकल 108 में. Next 30. Who among the following was the chairman of 6th Pay Commission? That is Justice B.N. Sri Krishna. B is the answer. Next 31. www. Internet stands for World Wide Web. C is the answer. Next 32. To which of the following companies the High Court has ordered to remove its logo? That was PepsiCo India. उस टाइम में recent cases में था ये. Next 33. The article of the Indian Constitution which automatically becomes suspended on proclamation of emergency is Article 19. B is the answer. Next 34. Which state in India implemented the Panchayati Raj system first? That was Rajasthan. नागौर जिले में पहले हुआ था ये. A is the answer. Next 35. In India, which institution holds ultimate authority to accept 5-year plans? That is National Development Council. B is the answer. Next 36. On whose recommendation the financial distribution between state and union and state takes place? That is Finance Commission. A is the answer. Next 37. Who is certified that any bill is a money bill? Speaker of Lok Sabha. B is the answer. मनी बिल का प्रोविजन कहाँ पर है? आर्टिकल 109 में. डेफिनेशन ऑफ मनी बिल है 110 में. नेक्स्ट 38. The court which has jurisdiction over election disputes under Section 80 of the Representation of People Act is High Court. B is the answer. Next 39. Who can remove election commissioner from his office? President of India on the recommendation of Chief Election Commissioner. D is the answer. और यहाँ पर लिखना चाहिए इंडिया का, यूनियन का इलेक्शन कमिश्नर. अगर स्टेट का होगा तो गवर्नर के पास पावर है, तो वो मेंशन नहीं किया हुआ. Next 40. In which of the following cases constitutionality of Central Education Institution Act was challenged? That was Ashok Kumar Thakur versus Union of India. A is the answer. Next 41. How many times the emergency has been proclaimed in India on the ground of internal disturbance? Once. A is the answer. Next 42. In which year financial emergency was proclaimed under Article 360? Never. फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी कभी भी नहीं लगाई गई. डी इसका आंसर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट 43. हु अपॉइंट चेयरमैन ऑफ स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन इन इंडिया? दैट इज गवर्नर ऑफ स्टेट. सी इज द आंसर. एंड ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? आर्टिकल 316 में. नेक्स्ट 44. बाय विच अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सिक्किम वाज इंक्लूडेड इन एज अ फुल फ्लैश स्टेट? दैट वाज 36th अमेंडमेंट. बी इज द आंसर. Next 45, under which article of Constitution of India Parliament may admit a new state in the Indian Union? That is Article 2B is the answer. Next 46, which of the following is not mentioned in directive principle of state policy under the Constitution of India? Right to educate means livelihood है, yes. Article 39, ये भी Article 39 में है. International peace and security, ये Article 51 है. Free and compulsory education up to 14 year of age, ये नहीं है. 6 to 14 year of age, that is a fundamental right, Article 21A. तो इसमें गलत कौन सा हो गया? D is the answer. Next 47, the Charter of United Nations was signed at San Francisco on June 26, 1945. A is the answer. Next 48, where the head office of the United Nations is situated? It is in New York. C is the answer. Next 49, how many members are in the Security Council? 15. D is the answer. Next 50, which one of the following article of the United Nations Charter is related to the procedure of voting? That is Article 18. So ये हो गया जीके का पार्ट. अब आ गया पार्ट 2, लॉ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 है, एडल्ट्री इज एन ऑफेंस कमिटेड विद द कंसेंट ऑफ मैरिड वुमन. यस, विद द कंसेंट ही होगा, विदाउट कंसेंट तो फिर रेप हो जाएगा, एडल्ट्री नहीं होगा. एडल्ट्री मेंशन इन 497 एंड नाउ इट इज अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बाय जोसेफ शाइन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 2018 की जजमेंट. Next 52, which of the following section of TPA defines transfer of property? Section 5. C is the answer. Next 53, which one of the following section of TPA defines notice? Notice कहाँ पर interpretations में provide किया गया है? B is the answer. Next 54, which section of CRPC provides that no statement made by any person to a police officer, if reduced in writing, be signed by the person making it? That is section 162. B is the answer. Next 55, CGM may pass sentence of imprisonment not exceeding 7 years. A is the answer, where it is mentioned section 29 CRPC. Next 56, which of the following section of CRPC provides for anticipatory bail? 438, who can give? Court of Session and High Court. Next 57, arrest of a person in execution of a decree has been provided in section 55. D is the answer. 56 में क्या है? No arrest of woman in execution of decree of money. Next 58, under Order 6 Rule 17, the court can allow or alter, amend pleading to either party. Yes, obviously A is the answer. Next 59, which of the following section of CPC defines mean profit? 212. D is the answer. 214 में क्या है? Order. 24 क्या है? District. 26 foreign judgment. Next 60, Order 42 CPC deals with appeal from appellate decrees. D is the answer. Appeal to Supreme Court 45. Order 45. Appealed by any person 44. Appeal against order 43. Next 61, preliminary decree can be passed in a suit for partition, partnership, mean profit. Yes, all of the above is the answer. Order 20 provides for the same. Next 60, under section 15 of CPC, every suit shall be instituted in the court of lowest grade. B is the answer. Next 63, pleading has been defined in Order 6 Rule 1. Obviously A is the answer. Order 8 किसके लिए है? WS के लिए. And set off and counterclaim. Next 64, which provision of CPC provides that one person may sue or defend on behalf of all in same interest? Order 1 Rule 8, जिसको बोलते क्या है? Representative suit. Next 65, which of the following authorities is not entitled to try a case summarily under the CRPC? Judicial Magistrate second class. D is the answer, unless empowered by High Court specifically. ठीक है, D इसका आंसर रहेगा. कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? सेक्शन 260. Next 66, which one of the following section of CPC deals with revision? So RRR, reference review revision 113 111145. रिविजन कौन सा हुआ? 15. C is the answer. Next 67, who can tender pardon to accomplice under section 306? CJM or MM first class? Yes, all of the above. D is the answer. Next 68, the procedure of trials held before court of session is provided in CRPC under 225 to 237. C is the answer. 230 से फिर क्या है? Warrant trials. Next 69, on being submitted the sentence of death by court of session, the High Court may confirm, annul, may pass another sentence. All of the above. D is the answer. Next 72H of CRPC defines the term investigation. A is the answer. इंक्वायरी कितने में है? 2G में. चार्ज कितने में है? 2B में. ऑफेंस 2N में. Next 71, which section CRPC provide for the prosecution for offences against marriage? 198. C is the answer. 97 किसके लिए? Judges and public servant के लिए. Next 72, which one of the following relating to section 34 IPC? Barinder Kumar Ghosh versus King Emperor. C is the answer. केम नानावती किस पर है? ग्रेव एंड सडन प्रोवोकेशन पर. Next 73, which in the following provision of IPC defines unlawful assembly? That is 141. A is the answer. 149 में क्या है? Common object. 146 में क्या है? Rioting. Next 74, the maxim ignorantia facit exequisset relates to section 76. B is the answer. Next 75, which provision of IPC says nothing is an offense which is done by accident? Section 80. C is the answer. 79 में क्या है? Justified by law, ignorance of fact. 78 में क्या है? Under order of court. Next 76, which one of the following section of IPC has been declared unconstitutional as violative of Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution? That is 303 in Mithu versus State of Punjab. Next 77, which one of the following section of IPC relates to punishment for abatement to commit suicide? That is 306. केस कौन सा आता है फेमस इसमें? ज्ञान कौर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब. 307 क्या है? अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर. 308 अटेम्प्ट टू कल्पेबल होमिसाइड. 309 अटेम्प्ट टू सुइसाइड. Next 78, which one of the following case is not correctly matched? मैकनॉटन किस पर है? 84 पर. डीपी वर्सेस बी. 84 आ गया. आपस में ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी हो गए तो इसका मतलब एक ही ठीक होगा इसमें. तो ए ठीक है तो डी, ये बी गलत है. ये है 85 पर. Next 79, how many kinds of hurts are included under grievous hurt? 8 kinds. D is the answer. Next 80, which of the following section of IPC relates with punishment for cheating? That is 417. चीटिंग इन डेफिनेशन 415 में. चीटिंग बाय पर्सोनेशन है 416 में. बी इसका आंसर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट 81, विच प्रोविजन आईपीसी मेक्स वाटर पोल्यूशन पनिशेबल? दैट इज 277. ए इज द आंसर. 278 क्या है? मेकिंग एटमोसफेयर नॉक्शियस टू हेल्थ. 279 रैश नेग्लिजेंट ड्राइविंग. ठीक है. 280 क्या है? रैश नेविगेशन ऑफ वेसल. Next 82, in which of the following offences under IPC preparation of the offence is punishable? It is waging war against the government. Preparation is punishable under section 122. C is the answer. Next 83, how many exceptions have been provided for the offence of defamation under section 499? 10 are there. B is the answer. Next 84, the case of S. Vardarajan versus State relates to section 363. C is the answer. Kidnapping पर है ये. Next 85, which one of the following cases related to right to private defense? Jade versus State. A is the answer. Next 86, A enters Z's house through a window. That is house breaking. C is the answer. हाउस ब्रेकिंग कहाँ पर है? देखिए मैंने इसका सीक्वेंस बनाया हुआ है, पहले भी कई बार डिस्कस किया है मैंने. आप इसको ऐसे लिखिए: CTHT क्रिमिनल ट्रेसपास, हाउस ट्रेसपास. LHT लर्किंग हाउस ट्रेसपास, लर्किंग हाउस ट्रेसपास बाय नाइट. हाउस ब्रेकिंग बाय नाइट. ठीक है. तो देखिए 441 है, 2 3 4 5 6, हाउस ब्रेकिंग कितने में है? 445 में। और ये उसका इलस्ट्रेशन है। इस तरीके से आप इसको याद कर सकते हैं, मतलब सेक्शन पूछ लें तो आपको इजीली याद हो जाएगा ये। नेक्स्ट 87, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू मेंसरिया? आर वर्सेस प्रिंस है, टोल्सन है, ये है शिराज है, वीरेंद्र कुमार घोष किस पर है? 34 पर। डी इसका आंसर रहेगा। Next, 88th section of IPC deals with those conditions when consent is said to be not free consent. It is section 92. C is the answer. वहाँ लिखा हुआ है ना, consent of child under 12 year of age, insane and consent under fear or misconception. Section 90. B is the answer. Next, 89, point out incorrect response. Following are the modes of abatement: instigation, yes. Incorrect इसमें कोई भी नहीं है। D इसका आंसर रहेगा, none of the above. Next, 19, which of the following cases the principle relating to defense of intoxication were laid down? It was DPP versus Beard. B is the answer. देखिए अभी डिस्कस किया था सेक्शन 85 पर। मैकनॉटन केस किस पे? इंसैनिटी 84, बिल स्टीफन 81, आर वर्सेस प्रिंस, दैट इज अभी देखिए बताया था मैंसरिया पर। Next, 91, A administers poisonous drugs to a woman B to cause miscarriage. It is found that B was not pregnant. In this case, A is guilty of attempt to cause miscarriage. B is the answer. Next, 92, under following which is the absolute incapacity of marriage? Consanguinity, affinity, fosterage, all of the above. D is the answer. Consanguinity क्या होता है? Blood relation. Affinity by marriage. Fosterage by milk. Next, 93, which is a relative incapacity for marriage? Marriage with wife sister when wife is alive, yes, obviously. Fifth wife 100% for why, yes. Absence of required number of witnesses, yes. All of the above. देखिए ये मुस्लिम मैरिज से पूछ रहे हैं क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज ये फोर्ड मैरिज है, अगर मुस्लिम लॉ में ये होता है, और विटनेसेस रिक्वायर होते हैं सुन्नी लॉ में। डी इज द आंसर. Next, 94, Meher Misal determined on what grounds? Personal characteristic of wife such age, extraordinary beauty, her father family status, dower paid to women in her husband's family. D is the answer, all of the above. Next, 95, what are the wife's rights when husband does not pay the dower? She can refuse consummation, file suit for recovery, keep possession of her dead husband's property. Yes, D is the answer, all of the above. Next, 96, in absence of mother, which of the following female has first priority to have custody of Muslim child? Mother's mother. B is the answer. Next, 97, a Muslim can marry any number of wives not exceeding 4. If a Muslim marries a fifth wife, then marriage shall be void or irregular. In Shia it is void, in Sunni it is irregular. The question is not proper, I would say. Next, 98, in Sunni law the guardian of minus property is father. B is the answer. Next, 99, which section of CRPC provides a protection to the members of armed forces from arrest? It is section 45. B is the answer. Next is 100, in a summary trial the maximum period of imprisonment is not exceeding 3 months. Section 73 provides the same. Next, 101, which of the following are liable under section 125D of CRPC for payment of maintenance to their parents who are unable to maintain themselves? Son, daughter, both. C is the answer. Next, 102, section 2C of CRPC defines cognizable offense. C is the answer. Non cognizable offense कहाँ पर है? 2L में. Next, 103, after divorce a Muslim woman can marry only after completion of iddat period. C is the answer. Next, 104, how many witnesses are necessary in Shia Muslim marriage? No witnesses required. In divorce they require 2 witnesses, and this is vice versa in Sunni. Marriage में 2 चाहिए और divorce में none. Next, 105, in which case some important principle regarding the defense of unsoundness of mind were propounded? मैकनॉटन केस, कितनी बार इस पूछेंगे इसे क्वेश्चन। सेक्शन 84 आईपीसी आर वर्सेस प्रिंस मैंसरिया पर डुडले स्टीफन बताया एक्सीडेंट पर रेक्स गोविंदा डिफरेंस बिटवीन 299 एंड 300। नेक्स्ट 106 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ आईपीसी डिफाइंस एफरे 159 की पनिशमेंट 160 में। Next 107. A attempts to pick pocket of by thrusting his hand into Z's pocket. A fails in attempt and Z has nothing in his pocket. What offense A has committed? Attempt to commit theft. B is the answer. Section 511. This is illustration of that section. Next 108. Which one of the following provision of IPC relates to vicarious liability? That is 154. 154 क्या है? Owner of the property where unlawful assembly held. अगर ऑनर को पता है कि यहाँ पर अनलॉफुल असेंबली हो रही तो उसको बताना पड़ेगा। सी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 109 अंडर सेक्शन 30 ऑफ हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट ए हिंदू कैन डिस्पोज ऑफ हिज इंटरेस्ट इन अ मिताक्षरा को पर्सनली प्रॉपर्टी बाय विल। ए इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 110 प्रिजम्पशन दैट यंगर सर्वाइव्ड द एल्डर अंडर सेक्शन 21 हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट इज अ रिबटेबल प्रिजम्पशन ऑफ लॉ। सी इज द आंसर। सेक्शन 21 बता ही दिया है ये। Next 111 rule 2 under section 10 of Hindu Succession Act is per capita rule. A is the answer. Next 112 a decree may be executed by either by the court which pass it or to which it is sent. D is the answer and कहाँ mention किया गया है? Section 38 of CPC. Next 113 on which of the following maxim doctrine of res judicata is based? Intus publica which is finis litium. D is the answer. Interest of republic is in finishing litigations. Next 114 right to lodge a caveat has been provided under section 148A. B is the answer and maximum period 90 days. ये भी आता है क्वेश्चन में। Next 115 in Shia school of Muslim law amount of meher is not legally fixed. A is the answer. 116 डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ साइप्रस इज रिलेटेड विद वक्फ्स। ट्रस्ट पर अप्लाई होती है डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ साइप्रस, मतलब अगर आप जो उसका अल्टीमेट पर्पस अचीव नहीं कर पा रहे तो नियर बाय पर्पस जो है वो अचीव कर ले, दैट इज डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ साइप्रस। नेक्स्ट 117 द टर्म मुशा अंडर मुस्लिम लॉ मींस अनडिवाइडेड शेयर इन द प्रॉपर्टी। डी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 118 a Sunni Muslim performs a marriage during the period of iddat. The marriage is irregular. C is the answer. Next 119A a Muslim mother is entitled to the custody of her female child until she attains age of puberty. B is the answer. Next 120 dissolution of Muslim marriage by agreement is known as khula. D is the answer. Next 121 which wasiyat is invalid in Muslim law? इन फेवर ऑफ रिलीजियस स्कूल हो जाएगा किलर ऑफ लेगेटर, ये नहीं हो सकता। बी इज द आंसर। चैरिटी में हो जाएगा, नॉन मुस्लिम भी हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट 122 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ ग्राउंड ऑफ डाइवोर्स अंडर डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ मुस्लिम मैरिज एक्ट 1939? एब्सेंस ऑफ हस्बैंड 4 years, ऐसे ठीक है। इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर 2 years, 7 year और अपवर्ड है, तो इसमें गलत कौन सा हो गया? बी। फेलियर हस्बैंड टू पेंटेन ये हो गया, इंपोर्टेंस ये भी हो जाएगा। बी इज द आंसर। Next 123 if parties to a Hindu marriage are spindas to each other, the marriage is void. A is the answer. Next 124 a Hindu married woman of 32 of age adopts a male child of 8 years with the consent of her husband. The adoption is valid. A is the answer. कैसे 21 ईयर का गैप होना चाहिए, तो अब 21 ईयर से 8 लगाओ तो 29 ही हुए, 32 ईयर्स ऑफ एज है, हस्बैंड की कंसेंट है तो वैलिड होगा। सेक्शन 11 टॉक्स अबाउट दी अदर कंडीशन 21 ईयर एज वाली ऑफ हिंदू अडॉप्शन एंड मेंटेनेंस एक्ट। नेक्स्ट 125 ए हिंदू डाइज इंटरस्टेट लिविंग बिहाइंड 2 sons 1 daughter 1 widow, his property shall devolve on all of them. D is the answer. Next 126 which of the following statement is not correct with regard to Muslim law? Nephew gets twice the share of niece. No, wrong है। Son gets twice the share of daughter. Yes. Brother gets twice the share of sister. Yes. Widower gets twice the share of widow. Yes. गलत कौन सा हुआ इसमें? A. Next 127 what is the right of preemption Right to seek eviction of tenant, no. Right to purchase property in preference to other person, B is the answer. Next 128, rule against perpetuity will not be applicable in perpetual transfer of gift, personal contracts, vested interests, all of them. D is the answer. Next 129, under the provision of TPA, the unborn child acquires vested interest upon his birth. A is the answer. Section कौन सा है? Section है 13 and 20. Next 130, the Privy Council decision on Tilak Dhailal versus Khadin Lal relates to Section 3 TPA. A is the answer. Next 131, which of the following is not correctly matched? Oral transfer 9 में है, रूल अगेंस्ट परपेचुटी 14 में है, डॉक्टर इलेक्शन 41 है, ट्रांसफर बाय ऑस्टेंसिबल ओनर 41 है ये, तो डी रॉन्ग हो गया, डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 132, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजन ऑफ टीपी रिलेट्स टू यूसुफैक्चरी मॉर्गेज. 58A क्या है? मॉर्गेज की डेफिनेशन है. बी में क्या है? सिंपल मॉर्गेज. डी में क्या है? यूसुफैक्चरी. ई में क्या है? इंग्लिश मॉर्गेज. तो आंसर क्या हो गया फिर? डी. 58D, सी इज द आंसर. Next 133, which of the following case does not pertain to doctrine of part performance? तो आरिफ वाला है, प्रबोध वाला है, गोविंद राव वाला है, राम भरण प्रसाद वैसे राम मोहित हजरा नहीं है. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 134, which provision of TPA defines lease? That is section 105. A is the answer. Next 135, the provision of fraudulent transfer is given under section 53 TPA. D is the answer. Next 136, the gift of future property is void. A is the answer. 122 section talks about gift. Next 137, which section of TPA was amended in year 2002? That was 106. A is the answer. बहुत ही common question है, repeated question है, बहुत ही बार पूछ लिया ये. Next 138, the rule of lis pendens applies when a pseudo proceeding in which right to immovable property is pending between two persons and one of them sells the property. Yes, B is the answer. Next 139, TPA came into force on 1st July 1882. A is the answer. Next 140, in the TPA immovable property does not include building है, land है, pond है, standing timber नहीं होता. D is the answer. Section 3 mentions about that. Next 141, which of the following properties cannot be transferred? Share in copyright हो जाएगा, mortgage property हो जाएगा, right to future maintenance नहीं हो सकता. C is the answer. Next 142, which of the following section of TPA deals with effect of holding over a lease? That is section 116. D is the answer. Next 143, in which of the following condition the lease can be terminated? Effects of time, termination of lessor's interest, power on merger, all of the above. D is the answer. कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? सेक्शन 111 of TPA. Next 144, doctrinal dependence is explained in which famous case? Bellamy versus Sabine. A is the answer. Next 145, transfer of right to enjoy property for a certain time is lease. ये ट्रांसफर हुआ ना राइट टू एंजॉय का, लीज. डी इज द आंसर. लीज का डिफाइन है सेक्शन 105. Next 146, in case of gift donor dies before acceptance, then the gift is void. C is the answer. Section 122. Next 147, mortgage's right to redeem the mortgage property accrues at time after the mortgage money has become due. Mortgage money due होगा तभी तो. B is the answer. Next 148, which one of the following mortgage does not require writing and registration? Deposit of title deed. D is the answer. Section 58 talks about that. 58A में क्या है? mortgage की definition है. mortgage लिखे हुए हैं. Simple B है, English E है, structure D है, and this is F. Next 149, which of the following is included in the term living person in section 5? Company, association, body, individual, all of the above. D is the answer. Next 150, section 11 of TPA will applicable only when interest transferred in the property is absolute. B is the answer. Next 151, what is the secondary source of Muslim law? Customs. A is the answer. Customs, judicial precedents, equity and good conscience. Next 152, which of the following modifies the application of Muslim law? Shariat Act, Muslim Dissolution, Muslim Women, Protection of Right on Divorce, all of the above. D is the answer. Next 153, which of the following Muslim laws applies in India? Muslim penal laws, evidence, sale of goods, only Muslim women protection and right and divorce act. D is the answer. Next 154, who applies Qiyah for the first time as a source of Muslim law? Imam Abu Hanifa. A is the answer. Repeat question है, ये भी पूछा जा चुका है पहले. Next 155, a Muslim law marriage is a civil contract. B is the answer. Next 156, who can be guardian in minor's marriage in Sunni law? Mother in presence of father या फिर father? Father रहेगा. D is the answer. Next 157, which statement is not correct? Some facts are relevant but not admissible. Some facts are admissible but not relevant. All relevant facts are admissible. All admissible facts are not relevant. तो इसमें गलत कौन सा है? C. सारे admissible नहीं होंगे. C is the answer. Next 158, which section of Indian Evidence Act is not on shifting of burden? That is 101. 102 से shift होते हैं ना सारे. 101 इसका आंसर रहेगा. A is the answer. Next 159, which section of Indian Evidence Act is related with doctrine of res ipsa loquitur? 106, thing speaks for itself. C is the answer. Next 160, दया भागा is authored by जिमुतवाहन. C is the answer. विज्ञानेश्वर ने क्या लिखा है? मिताक्षरा. यजनवाल का क्या है? स्मृति. Next 161, विज्ञानेश्वरा is famous commentator of मिताक्षरा. So इसमें आंसर क्या रहेगा? None of the above. D is the answer. Next 162, in regard to Hindu marriage, spinner relationship, any person is counted up to 5 line of father, 3 line of mother. Both. C is the answer. Next 163, premarital relation of a spouse is statutory ground for judicial separation. No. Divorce no. Nullify no. तो देखिए प्री मैरिटल रिलेशनशिप है, सिर्फ अगर प्रेगनेंसी होती तब हो जाता. अब इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? नन ऑफ दी अबव. Next 164, a Hindu male of 28 year of adopts a female child of 13 year of age. Adoption is void. D is the answer. 21 year का gap होना चाहिए. Same type of question कई बार पूछ लिए हैं इन्होंने. Section 11 talks about that of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Next 165, order of succession under Hindu Succession Act of male Hindu dying intestate is as class 1, class 2, agnate, cognate. C is the answer. और ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? सेक्शन 8 ऑफ हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट में. नेक्स्ट 166, प्रोविजन ऑफ सेक्शन 24 ऑफ हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट कोरस्पॉन्ड्स टू 36 ऑफ स्पेशल मैरिज एंड डाइवोर्स एक्ट. बोथ. सी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 167, कंसेंट थ्योरी डाइवोर्स वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड in the Hindu Marriage Act in the year 1976. B is the answer. Next 168, a person is not disqualified from succeeding to any property on the ground that of any disease, defect or deformity is provided under section. A is the answer. Section 28. Next 169, which one of the following section of Hindu Marriage Act deals with RCR? Section 9. 10 में क्या है? Judicial separation. 11 में void marriages. Next 170, under Hindu Succession Act, who amongst the following is not a class 1 heir? Father नहीं है, बाकी सब हैं. Father क्या है? class 2 heir. Next 171, under Mitaksha school of compulsory interest devolves by survivorship. B is the answer. Next 172, under Hindu Adoption Maintenance Act, which of the following is not entitled to adopt? Unmarried person कर सकता है. Husband with the consent of wife, yes. Wife who is divorced, yes. Husband without consent of wife नहीं कर सकता. D is the answer. Capacity of male to take in adoption. Section 7 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Next 173, under which section of Hindu Marriage Act the provision relating to registration of marriage is given? Section 8. A is the answer. Next 174, under which section of Hindu Marriage Act husband and wife may file a petition for divorce by mutual consent? 13B. B is the answer. Next 175, which section of Indian Evidence Act provides for admissibility of secondary evidence? Section 65. 63 क्या है? Secondary evidence क्या होता है वो बताया गया है. 61 में क्या है? Proof of content of document by primary or secondary. 60 क्या है? Oral evidence must be direct. Next one, 76. Which one of the following section of Indian Evidence Act says fact admitted need not to be proved? It is 58. D is the answer. Next, 117. Section 113B, presumption to dowry death, was added in the Indian Evidence Act in 1986. A is the answer. 1983 में क्या ऐड किया था? 113A. Next, 178. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Child witness 118, dumb witness 119 है, hostile 154, expert 45. B is the answer. Next, 179. The illustration that A and B are jointly tried for the murder of C. It is proved that A said B and I murdered C. Lays to section 30. A is the answer. Confession of co-accused. Next, 180. Identification parade section 9 में है. B is the answer. 8 में क्या है? PCM, preparation, conduct, motive. Next, 181. Which of the following section was amended by IT Act? It is section 17. B is the answer. Next, 182. Section 113A of Indian Evidence Act was added in year 1983. देखिए अभी बताया था मैंने, अभी क्वेश्चन पूछ भी लिया है, ये B is the answer. Next, 183. Indian Evidence Act deals with presumptio juris या फिर humanis? Both. C is the answer. Presumption of मतलब law, humanis मतलब human मतलब facts. Next, 184. Indian Evidence Act deals privilege as a right only a duty? Both right and duty. C is the answer. Next, 185. Facts supporting or rebutting the opinion of expert are relevant under 46. C is the answer. Next, 186. Which one of the following case doesn't relate to dying declaration? क्वीन में सिर्फ अब्दुल्ला है, नारायण स्वामी है, तनगोंड है, जफरगढ़ स्टेट ऑफ यूपी नहीं है. सी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 187. अब देखिए फिर से पूछ लिया है. पाला नारायण स्वामी डीडी पर बताया ही था और देखो यहाँ पूछ भी लिया है. क्वेश्चन 32 पर है, डीडी पर. सी इज द आंसर. Next, 188. Whom is the following is an expert under Indian Evidence Act? Handwriting expert, fingerprint, ballistic, all of the above. D is the answer. Section 45 provides that. Next, 189. Under which section of Indian Evidence Act principle of registry is given? Section 6. B is the answer. Next, 190. Under section 17 of Indian Evidence Act, the admission is both written or oral or in electronic form. C is the answer. Next, 191. Which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act relates to accomplice? 133. B is the answer. Next, 192. Under section 122 Indian Evidence Act, privilege is available to 122 में किसके पास है? हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ के पास. D is the answer. जिसके पास कहाँ पर है? 121 में. Advocates 126. Magistrate again. Judges and magistrate 121. Next, 193. In which of the following case hearsay evidence is not admissible? Statement of expert expressed in treatise if the author is dead or cannot be found, तो हो जाएगा hearsay में. इसका मतलब क्या है? ये जो एक्सेप्शन नहीं है वो पूछ रहे हैं, ये एक्सेप्शन में आ जाएगा. Where eyewitness told the fact that another person's statement of that person, that वो तो hearsay evidence हो गया, not admissible. B is the answer. Part of same transaction section 6 में आ जाएगा, DD में आ जाएगा ये. Next, 194. Which one of the following is not a document under Indian Evidence Act? इंस्क्रिप्शन है, फोटोग्राफ है, प्रिंट आउट मैसेज सेंड थ्रू मोबाइल, ये भी हो जाएगा. नाइफ रिकॉर्ड बाय पुलिस पोजेशन ऑफ अक्यूज प्रोड्यूस इन द कोर्ट, वो 27 में आएगा. डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है, वो आर्टिकल है. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट, 195. विच सेक्शन ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट प्रोवाइड्स दैट कंटेंट्स ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट मस्ट बी प्रूव्ड बाय प्राइमरी एविडेंस? अभी देखिए मैंने ऊपर डिस्कस भी किया था, दैट इज सेक्शन 64. 61 में क्या प्रोवाइड किया गया है? प्रूफ ऑफ कंटेंट. कैसे? प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी. 62 में क्या है? प्राइमरी एविडेंस. 63 क्या है? सेकेंडरी एविडेंस. नेक्स्ट, 196. हिंदू कपल हैविंग डिग्री ऑफ जुडिशियल सेपरेशन वांट्स टू लिव टुगेदर, दे कैन लिव, देयर इज नो प्रोहिबिशन. ए इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट, 197. ए हिंदू मेल हैविंग अनडिवाइडेड इंटरेस्ट इन द मिताक्षरा कोपाशनरी डाइज लिविंग बिहाइंड 2 sons and 1 daughter. Daughter is entitled to the following share in the property. 1/3 is the answer. Equal share मिलेगा. Next, 198. Hindu law does not apply to a person who is Hindu by. हिंदू हो चाहे कैसे भी हो, कन्वर्जन से तो अप्लाई होगा, तो डी नन ऑफ द इसमें आंसर रहेगा. Next 199. Who is Hindu among the following? Illegitimate child of Sikh male and Jain female. Yes. Illegitimate child वो भी रहेगा, illegitimate ये भी रहेगा. All of the above is the answer. Section 16 will be applicable. And Sikh Jain जो है, Buddhist Sikh Jain, they are all Hindus. Next 200. Which section of Indian Evidence Act deals with doctrine of confirmation by subsequent facts? That is section 27 is the answer. So friends, यहाँ पर हमने प्रीलिमिनरी एग्जाम पेपर ऑफ उत्तराखंड जुडिशियल सर्विसेज 2009 का पेपर पूरा डिस्कस कर लिया है. अगर आपको इसमें कोई कमी लगी हो, कोई सजेशंस और कोई एडवाइस हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर भी लिख सकते हैं. वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट योर कमेंट्स एंड फीडबैक. And friends, if you like the efforts, kindly give a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to help the content creator. Means if you like the videos, you can just donate some money to them in form of tips. Minimum starts with 20. Minimum is 20 rupees. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, इसको जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. So friends, thank you. Thanks very much for watching this video. Thank you.